Hi, my name is Chantal and I'm a video editor. I've been editing for around 7 years and I first found Josh through his work for Will Tennyson. And then I binge watched all his YouTube videos and afterwards I joined the academy. And I think what really differentiates his course from other courses online is that it's about the why. It's about the psychology behind the editing and why you make specific decisions as an editor. And I also really enjoyed the filmed lessons because when you see someone you admire for their work struggle to deliver a project on a deadline, it makes you realize that maybe you don't have to be the perfect editor to take on the bigger projects or the bigger clients. And yeah, I think the course is not only great for video editors, but maybe also content creators themselves who want to get better at giving feedback, or maybe even producers. And if you like the knowledge that Josh gives out for free on his YouTube channel, you should definitely check out his course. I can highly recommend it.